everyone, it's Diana, and for today's video, I'm going to show you guys this really easy and affordable graduation makeup look. So let's start! First off, I'm using a moisturizer. As usual, I have been using this one from Celeteque. Their Facial Hydration Facial Moisturizer, which is really perfect for all skin types. For foundation, I'm using this one from Bilena. Their all-day liquid foundation in the shade Olive. This is a really great foundation for its price, and also, it has no flashbacks, so it's really perfect for graduation photos, day or night. I'm using a wet blending sponge to blend it all out. This might look a lot more yellow than it should be in the camera, but in actual, it's a really flattering shade for a Filipino skin. Now let's do the brows. I'm using the Detail Makeover Make It Pro Starter Pen in the shade Medium Brow. This is a really great brow product for starters, since it has that manageable structure and cool brown tones. First is, I'm outlining my brows following its natural shape. Then, I'm blending everything in. You can use a cotton buds to clean out edges. After that, I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Color Matcher in the shade Dark Brown to match the brow hairs with the brow pencil. For concealer, I'm using this Bilena Concealer Stick in the shade Medium to add coverage on my problem parts and highlight some parts that I want to move forward, like my nose bridge, forehead, and chin. And then of course, dab everything to have it blended. To tap everything out, I'm using this Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow to set the creams and liquids and make them last longer. Now let's move to eyeshadow. We'll be using this Bilena Uncover palette. First is I'm using this pale white shade as my base. Next, to bring back that natural contour of my eyes, I'm using this one from Wet n Wild, their contouring palette. Next, I'm using this light purple shade from the Uncover palette and use it as a transition color, and I'll put it on the outer V of my eyes. Next, I'm using this dark purple shade and focus on the inner view of my eyes to create that haloed illusion. Next is I'm going to put this light pink shimmer shade at the center of my lid to add dimension. After that, I'm going to put this light purple shade at the lower lid to add that smoky eye effect. For eyeliner, I'm using the Careline Graph Ink Liner and create a wing. After that, I'm applying these falsies that I bought out of Shopee. If you're interested, I'll just link it below. After that, I'll just dust off any excess powder that I baked before. Then, apply a foundation powder with a brush to lightly bake those parts that are not part of the T-zone. Now, I'm just contouring my face to make my face much more smaller and to accentuate the structure, and to also warm up my face. Then of course, I'll be contouring my nose because it doesn't look cute naturally. Let's fake that flaw. Then after applying the contour, I'll lightly apply the highlight part to dye it down and remove any harsh parts. For blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Blazen Berry. And for my lips, I'm going for this vibrant yet nudish color from the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Mattes in the shade Strip It Off. It radiates that pop of color on your natural lips but still looks natural. Now we're done with our look. Let me fix my hair first and I'll get back to you guys. Here's the final look. I hope you guys liked it and helped you for your graduation photo and program itself. Tell me your thoughts. Anyway, congratulations once again. Bye!